Hi, my name is Chris Konkle. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about helping you master construction so you can be industry leaders. Today we're going over Autodesk VRED Design. Okay, so jumping right into it, VRED Design is an application used. It's an Autodesk. It's an Autodesk application, and it's used to kind of analyze your designs and get feedback on your designs, sort of like what augmented reality would be. VRED is something that you take your designs from AutoCAD, you can then render them into VR or VRED, and then you can experience them so in different lighting and different environments. This is so important for design, and this is the future of things, okay? Like, this is how people, designers, and owners can work together on making the building. So before, the drawings used to be just like 2D drawings, and sometimes you get isotopic drawings, what we call isotopic drawings, which is like a 3D type of model. But now in 2018, look at what we have. Look at how submersive. This is submersive. This is you can work in with your products in different environments. It's incredible. The implications for this software is endless. Like where the future is going for design is incredible, absolutely incredible. So we're looking at a car today, okay? But imagine if it was a building. Okay, so today we're just looking at a car because it's an example. This software is so cool. I wanted to kind of show you just the basics, the overview of it. You can scroll fairly easily, move around, check it out on all different views and whatnot. You can also then program it. Your camera, you can have up to like 9 different camera angles. So you can see here I got the camera out, so you can look at it from all different angles. You can also animate it, right? So watch, I'll play it. I'll go into the play. No, never mind. I gotta go down to animation. Oh, there we go. There. So this isn't animated, but this will play through the different camera angles, right? So this is pretty cool for presentations and sales and marketing and stuff like that, right? So I think that's fantastic. So now the coolest thing, like, so we go into the material. So this is neat because it's got this asset manager, right? So we got a scene graph here, which is beautiful, right? So I can literally just, I'm not going to uncheck this. So say I want to check off the interior, sorry, we can take the interior out, exterior, we can take the exterior off and look at the interior type thing. So, and same thing, tires, whatnot. Okay, so this is so bloody cool because now, we can go into a different environment. So, okay, so say I want to look at my car, in an empty garage. What's it going to look like, right? And that's we just pop in a scene, and there we go. There's in the lighting and everything is saved. See the different lighting and all that. So think about it as if we're a building, right? So the sunlight would come in the windows, and we could check what it would look like during low light and highlight. And so we can check the reflections and shadows and all this kinds of stuff, right? So all these things that you couldn't tell before in your designs, in your 2D designs, like, you couldn't tell these things before. You couldn't see things in different lighting. Now an owner can actually physically put on a headset and walk around the building, and so can the designers, and make sure everything's lit properly, and the colors are nice, exactly what they want, and they go together. All this stuff, right? All this cool stuff. So I can definitely, we can load into different environments just to see what it's like, right? Also, we can go over to animations as well, and we can look. So look at the doors are opening, right? Opening. So we can now see what it would look like in different lighting. We can open the doors in VR. Anything that moves, we can do, right? So I wanted to show you one more. The wheel position is we can drive forward as well. See that thing? Driving forward. Bye. So we can see what things look like in motion, which is fantastic, right? So the animation feature is amazing. The scene graph feature is really amazing. So materials as well, right? Like if we want to, say, change the color, all we gotta do is drag it over and you know, paint the parts. Simple as that, right? There's a feature like you can actually just take one color and switch it all over type thing. But this here, I'm just dragging over the color just for a quick example to show you the features of this VRED stuff. I think that this is amazing, and the like owners of buildings and products or whatever can have a lot more involvement in the design and decision making, right? So an owner can hire a designer, and you could pretty much almost interior decorate your place now before you even build it, right? So it's incredible. It's absolutely amazing. So it's a very feature rich piece of software. And it's just like, yeah, you can see the change different lighting. So you can set up different lightings. So we go back to it. We have some preset, well, that's the German sensor. That's the one we're in. Manhattan view right there. The color is awful because it didn't change at all, but it's so neat. Like you can literally just, you know, just move it around. It's very flexible software. You can change the environment very quickly and easily. It's completely three-dimensional. It's completely, you can go into virtual reality and actually like interact with your designs, which is amazing, right? Absolutely amazing. Red pepper. That's different, right? Red fire. So, but yeah, so the implications is amazing, right? So same thing with the camera. So we have a bunch of angles preset. You can obviously capture an angle and name it, right? So there we go. We have this one now. So we go back, right? So you capture your camera angles, lighting. We get the headlight here. You can set up extra lighting, put it in. It's awesome. This software is so feature rich. It's incredible. So the idea is to get your designs from AutoCAD into here, render them into 3D, and then this would be like, this is like for marketing and sales and final design. Like you can definitely use this like software, so like you can use it to the max. Like there's no let me just go back down to the animations. Like it's awesome, right? Like it's absolutely awesome. See the wheels turning, right? So anything that moves, anything that is in light, you can render in this software, which is incredible. Just think about this for design in the future of design in the buildings. If you're interested in getting into architecture and engineering and design, these are the software that you're going to be using. So I wanted to, because you know me, I love to bring you guys all the new technology that's coming out for construction. VRED is a newer application under the Autodesk in the Autodesk library. It's the first one of a series I'm doing now called it's a software series. So today is VRED. I got Maya Gold LT. I have 3ds Max. I have Autodesk 2017. I even got SketchUp, and I got Maya as well. All of that except for SketchUp is and I have Revit as well. So all of that is Autodesk software, except for I don't think Maya, or no, I think Maya is Autodesk, but the SketchUp is not Autodesk. Okay, I think that this is fantastic, guys. I want to know what you think. What is this software going to do for our designs in the future, right? What applications do you see this being more helpful in? Okay, I want to hear from you guys down in the comments. This is just the first of my software series, so I'm very excited about this. This is amazing stuff. I think the features are amazing, absolutely amazing. There's a lot you can do with this software, and this is just the beginning, a quick overview of some of the things that we can do in it. I wanted to, just bring it out there, guys. So if you're new to Chris Konkle Vlogs, make sure you subscribe right down below. And YouTube thinks you might like a video right there, so give it a watch. Wait a minute, where am I now? So I'm down on the left-hand corner. So yeah, YouTube wants you to watch that video there on the top, and I put another playlist down there below for you. This is Chris, everybody. Bye for now.